Okay, going to talk you through today's little adventure, getting the bike from the shed out front and both of the stacks. There you go, Benno. Righto, gets better. More stacks. Alright, so she's out the front, just switching it on. We'll do the test. Yep. Off we go. Try not to hit Jesse's car. Nice. So at the moment, there's no self-balancing. I'm just trying to ride this with a remote control. I can't do, obviously. It's like learning to ride a bike all over again, actually. And the faster you go, the easier it is. But I took that till I ran out of range and I couldn't steer it. So run, Ben, run! Go, there you go, good boy. Whoop, back in. Oh, that actually balanced that time. That came back just fine. So it'll go for, I can get it going for about 10 or 15 metres. And sorry about that, Jimmy's. Doesn't like the huge big bumps because the trainer wheels can't wheel off the ground, you've got no steering. Oh, this was a good run, but I don't think I did.
Oh, she's up! She's up!
So the last time it fell over, it munched the trainer wheel. You can see it digging right there, and splashes all over. I couldn't get it back up because it was pulling too hard around to the left. And smashed a few bits and pieces up, and back to the shed and fix it up again. Off we go. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you later.